At All4Cure, we're building a knowledge-sharing platform for patients, clinicians, and researchers. I'm Tony Blau, a blood doctor, professor, and scientist in Seattle, Washington. I'm the founder and CEO of All4Cure. Patients who wish to join All4Cure's knowledge-sharing platform visit us on the web, register, and download a HIPAA release form that they sign and turn into their doctor's office requesting that their medical records be sent to us. We're currently enrolling patients with a form of blood cancer called myeloma, and in the future we plan to expand to patients with other types of cancer. From each patient's medical record, we extract information to create their own personalized dashboard. This is my dashboard, because 2 years ago I learned that I have myeloma. All4Cure assigns a unique code and doesn't display a patient's name, social security number, birth date, or other immediately identifying information, but your dashboard does include a lot of information, such as your age, your doctor's name, and treatment dates. This information is protected by privacy laws, but by participating in All4Cure's knowledge-sharing platform, you agree to allow this information to be displayed here. Your dashboard features a graph that shows your experience with cancer from the time of diagnosis to the present, and tracks key labs that reflect the amount of cancer that can be detected. You can hover over each data point to see the value that each lab is tracking. Below, you can click on tabs that change the type of information that's displayed. For example, displayed here are the results of my platelet counts, a type of blood cell that fell twice around the time of my first stem cell transplant, and again at the time of my second stem cell transplant. On the top of each graph are icons that reflect the treatments that I've received. Hovering over each icon reflects the treatments that were given on that date. On the top of the graph, you can print or download data from your dashboard. Below and to the left, the Documents panel allows you to upload additional information such as physician progress notes or test results. And to the right is a discussion panel where you or any other participant, be they another patient, clinician, or researcher, can post comments about your specific situation. You can also post questions. A keyword generator allows you to search for comments that contain that word. Patients and other participants can upvote or downvote comments based on their perceived merit and can add additional information to a comment. By providing a forum for focused discussions about the problems facing our patients, we aim to be the definitive resource for up-to-the-minute information that is directly relevant to our patients. As such, we act in the capacity of a super smart friend who makes suggestions that the patient and his or her doctor want to consider. Lastly, we'll briefly show you the dashboards of 2 patients who have benefited from participating in our platform. Patient MM2 was in urgent need of enrollment into a clinical trial for which availability is extremely limited. We were able to help him find a clinical trial at Memorial Sloan Kettering where he is now. We helped patient MM3 obtain genetic testing, showing that his tumor has a mutation that makes it likely that he would respond to drugs that are being tested in a clinical trial near his home. These patients exemplify our motto of all for one and one for all, bringing the world's expertise to bear on the problems of our patients, and then using their experiences to help us get better at understanding and treating cancer. Thank you for watching.